Hello everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover and I am just doing a quick video. This video will probably not even be edited because I want to get this up as soon as possible. But anyways, today it is December 1st. The MMA Melon Music Awards show for 2018 has already happened. For my time zone, it started at 4 a.m. for the red carpet, and then the actual show started at around 5 a.m. except there were a lot of breaks in between, like commercial breaks or like just breaks. So it wasn't actually like that long. I think there was some point in which there was like a 15 to 20 minute long break, and that was very long. But yeah, anyways, the focus is on the fact that BTS won 7 awards in that one night, and I am really happy that I stayed up, pulled basically an all-nighter to watch them win awards and perform, and you know, all the other groups are very amazing too, but pretty much my sole purpose was just to watch BTS. And you know, like, even when they weren't performing, when the camera panned over to them, it was just so cute, and it was really worth it. And it was like my first time like pulling an all-nighter, just because I really don't believe in pulling all-nighters to finish like your work or whatever, just because that's just like, why didn't you do it earlier? But I was like, I am going to do this for BTS. Not that it really matters, but like I really wanted to watch it live, and just like, you know, I just thought that it would have a different feeling. It kind of does, it kind of doesn't. I don't really know what to think about it, but I'm just like very happy. I'm like, there's still an adrenaline rush just from watching that, even though it, I think, ended like 2 hours ago. But yeah, I'm talking too long, like it's crazy. Anyways, so BTS won 7 awards. 2 of them are Taesang, so they won Album of the Year and Artist of the Year. And basically in commemoration for them winning Album of the Year, I will do a photo card collection, only because most of my photo cards are from albums, and I don't know, maybe this will be a way of making people want to buy their album, which is really helpful. But obviously this video is not sponsored or anything. I just wanted to do this for my own like collection purposes, just so I can always revisit this video and see which ones I have / maybe had in any situation where maybe I, you know, give away one of these to someone or something. And also on the Big Hit Shop website, they are having this kind of promotion until December 7th. I just wanted to let anyone know in case they didn't know, but they are doing this, like, if you buy, I think tier, I'm not actually sure if it's for all albums, but I know for sure tier, because tier won Album of the Year at MMA. You actually get like 5%. It says my NX points, basically just accumulate points, and then the number of points, I think, is actually in like South Korean won, then it's converted to your currency, and that's how much you get off a purchase. So 5% off of the album purchase is not that many points, but it's not bad. And if you haven't gotten tier yet, I would recommend it. It's not really a discount on the albums itself, it's a discount on like future purchases. It's just like an accumulation of points, you know, like, I don't know, basically any store has that. But anyways, I am going to go ahead and start showing you guys my collection. I know this was very long, but I wanted to, you know, talk about the award show a little bit and things like that. So okay, let's get started. So all of my photo cards or album photo cards are from the Love Yourself series, just because I started collecting photo cards back in August, and I really haven't been able to kind of go that far back yet. So I only have photo cards starting from Love Yourself Her. So it's not the most extensive collection, which I actually think is fine for this video because it will be kind of short. So first I have Jungkook for Love Yourself Her version L. This is so cute. This is one of the more recent ones in my collection, I think. I'm not really sure. So I have Jungkook, then I have Namjoon, and it does have a lot of like this stuff transferred onto the front, but it's okay. Both of these cards are so cute. My two biases are, I guess I have two. I have Jungkook and Jimin. So my first ever bias, the person that caught my attention the first time I watched BTS performance or music video was definitely Jungkook, but Jimin has been more or less becoming my bias these days, so I consider him my second bias. And then I have version O. I will go in order of the versions, so I might not even say the versions after this, but yeah, I have Suga. And I love his hair color for this era. It's just like, I love how it matches the background. It's really pretty. And then there's also J-Hope's like peach colored hair. Then we have Jin. I quite like his outfit for this photo. I actually have two of these photo cards, but I left one of them in an album just because I'm not really sure what I want to do with that photo card, that duplicate. And then I have Suga, and this is version E. He's like the only one that doesn't have like a pizza background for this concept, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. So those are my Her album photo cards. Then I have Tear, and this is the one that won Album of the Year. I mean, if you haven't checked out Tear, like, what are you doing? But anyways, this is Jungkook's photo card for Y, version Y. This is one of the more recent ones that I added to my collection as well. Then I have version Y Jin. Then I have a Suga for version O. Then I have V. Actually have two of that one. Then I have version U of J-Hope. And like, he gave such a kind of heartwarming but also kind of like sad, nostalgic, sentimental, like reflective speech for Artist of the Year. Like, basically he was talking about how it feels like it hasn't been too long since BTS was thanking their seniors for inspiring them to take this path and working hard despite all the challenges from coming from a small company, or just like in general, life has a lot of hardships, especially when you're chasing a dream that maybe other people look down on you for and things like that. So like how they had role models, but more importantly how BTS is like, they're definitely not rookies anymore, and they are definitely paving their own path and leaving their own legacy, and how they've become kind of a senior group and role models in the eyes of idol trainees and like just like groups that haven't been in the business as long as they have. So like a lot of people look up to them now, and J-Hope just wanted to say that he wants to become the senior that seniors were to them, that inspired them. And it was just like, I don't know, because BTS will always kind of remain as that young, like, to me they're just boys chasing their dreams. Like when I discovered them in 2014 and became an ARMY in 2015, I still feel like I'm kind of trapped in that time period where Jungkook wasn't even like legal, like he wasn't even like 20 in Korean, like he wasn't even 20 in Korea. And I just like, yeah. And also they're more or less like the same people, like they're still super humble, and I really like, I don't know, I can't like, in my heart, like they always feel like rookies, like just young, fresh, just debuted, just chasing their dreams and having fun while doing it. And like now, I don't know, just like, I can't imagine, okay, like it made me cry so much. I probably don't make any sense at all, but I wanted to share my opinions. Then I have version R of Jungkook. I was super happy when I got this photo card because I was not expecting him, because I think I was pulling him quite a bit before I got that photo card, so I was like, I'm not gonna get him, right? Next, I have the Answer album. So I have, what is this? This is version S, Namjoon. Then I have version S, Jungkook, and this was my first ever photo card, just in general for BTS. It came with my City Field ticket purchase. You know how like there was kind of like a merch bundle essentially, and you get like an album with your ticket? This is the photo card that I got, and I was so happy because Jungkook's my bias, and I was like, at that point I was like, I'm only gonna have one album, because I had never really thought about collecting merch until I got this album, and I was like, I really want the other ones. Then I have version E Jin. Then I have version E of Taehyung. Version L of Taehyung. A version L of Jin. Then I have version F Jungkook and version F Jungkook. So I have two Jungkooks for version F. And then I have one version F for Jimin, and this was actually pulled from the last Answer album that I purchased, and I won't be purchasing them anymore just because I finally got Jimin, who is obviously not someone I pull often because I only have one out of like 20 photo cards. Oh, I forgot to mention. I think I did mention I have two of Jin's, so I actually have quite a few Jin's and like just not that many Jimin's, so I was really happy that I got Jimin. And then these are my album photo cards. There aren't that many. It's not like the most extensive collection. It's literally just from like kind of like one era, I suppose, like Love Yourself, the Love Yourself series. So they're all kind of like connected, but I will at some point go back and, you know, collect photo cards, or at the very least just buy one of each album like before the series. So anyways, I will go ahead and show you guys my DVD set photo cards. So I have Memories of 2017 and Muster. So I'm actually going to start with Muster. So this is from the 4th Muster DVD set. I got J-Hope on the front, and then this is Jimin on the back. Kind of matches my nails. Yeah, but yeah, it's super cute. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't want Jimin on the front, or Jungkook on the front, but I don't know if I would go through the hassle of trading it just because, or like buying it, simply because it's kind of hard to find those two cards. It's really hard to find someone who would want to trade for J-Hope if they had those cards. So yeah, it is like very good quality in my opinion. So I have that. I'm just gonna place it there because I have nowhere else to put it. And then for Memories at 2017, I have Jungkook's photo card. Super happy when I got this because I was not expecting his photo card. Actually, most of my Jungkooks came from a physical K-pop store, so I was not expecting to get that many Jungkooks from that one particular store. So maybe that store is blessing me. I don't know. But here's the back. The Memories of 2017 photo cards, like the backs are really pretty. Like this purple color is just so pretty, and it just says Memories on this side with Army. It says 17 for 2017 there. And all of my photo cards were like purchased and pulled by me. Like I didn't buy these from other sellers, so that's mostly why I don't have that many photo cards, because buying albums is quite expensive, and buying the photo cards individually might not be as expensive. But I don't know, I kind of just like buying the albums and pulling them for myself. You know, I might, you know, go ahead and buy the members that I really want, or trade the ones that I don't particularly want, or maybe I would rather have another member of, but everything just seems like such a hassle. So I'm pretty content with my collection. And yeah, that's it for this video. If anyone stayed up to watch MMA's Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Honestly, all of BTS's performances were just fire, just amazing. Like, can we even, like, that stage of Idol, like, that was amazing. Like, wow. I was speechless while watching it. I mean, I was like crying before because of that VCR. And then when Idol came up, I actually don't even remember the order, but like I was definitely crying for some VCR. And then I was blown away by Idol. And I was also blown away by the very beginning and all the masks and all, like, everything was just great. Their speeches were amazing, and they're just like, oh my god, I just love BTS. But anyways, that's it for this video. I wanted to congratulate BTS. I also want to congratulate us ARMY for contributing like a decent amount to their success. And when they have these award shows and they thank us, it really, you know, should mean something to us. And I think it's a win for us as well. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye, everyone.